Yo, what's good, everybody? If you guys are here at this video, you guys might need to want to change your air filter out because it probably looks like this once you guys open up your air filter, if you guys haven't already. And if you guys have, I'm gonna let you guys know how to change it, what tools you guys will need, as well as everything that you guys will need to go ahead and get this job done. So make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned for the whole video. Get down in the comment section, let me know if this video helped you guys out. Or if you guys have any questions, let me know all that stuff down in the comment section down below as well. And if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and get us a channel, subscribe, as well as check out my playlist because I do have a Chrysler 300. And if you guys are here, that means you guys have a Chrysler 300 or a Dodge. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out my playlist because I do maintenance videos as well as mods on there as well that I did to my Chrysler 300. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out as well. But with that being said, you guys, I'm not gonna hold you guys up too much longer. This video should be really short because this job is really straight to the point. But with that being said, you guys, I'm talking 20 times. Let's go and get today's video started. And all right, you guys, so before we get this install started, I'm gonna show you guys everything you would need. Obviously, you guys are gonna change your air filter, so you will need an air filter. You guys will need a ratchet, as well as you guys will go ahead and need an 8-inch milliliter socket. And maybe even an extension because of the air filter, how tight the space is, and depending on what kind of ratchet you'll be using, you probably will need an extension. And I say that because this is the screws you guys will be taking out. This one will fit over 8mm, as well as you guys can use or a 4-way screwdriver if you guys want to as well there as well, and it will take off the screws. It's easy. So that's pretty much everything you would need. That would be straightforward. So once again, just an air filter, 8mm socket, as well as an extension and a ratchet, and that's pretty much going to be it. I'm going to show you guys each screw you guys how to take off, as well as how to get to your air filter, and we'll go ahead and do that right now. And this right here is the air filter I decided to go with. I got it from Napa Auto Parts. This is right here going to be the part number, which is 29746. This one fits my car. You guys can also do the KN air filters or the Mopar one, but this is the one I decided to go with. All right, you guys, so this right here would be an air filter housing. So you guys gotta have those screws that I already took off. That's with the 8mm. You're gonna have one here, here, and here. Nothing will be in the back besides some slide-in clips that you guys can see right here that's already out. This thing here, you guys will not have to take off, but if you guys want to be all the way cautious to move everything out the way, you guys can take this off, but you guys don't need to. The last only thing you guys will need would be a flathead screwdriver, or you guys can use that same 8mm bolt to go ahead, socket, to take this off as well. And all you want to do is loosen that thing up. And once you loosen this up, this thing should slide off, but it's all moving since I already took the screws off. So once you take that off, everything else should just move right out the way, and then your air filter be right up under there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys how the air filter look up under the cover. As you guys, so now I got the vent thing cover off, so now you can just move this all the way out the way. This was kind of why I was saying you guys don't need to take that piece off if you guys don't need to, because now you can get straight into your air filter housing. And this air filter housing here, this is where your filter, as you guys can see, mine is real dirty. You got a lot of dirt in there compared to the new one that's in the car. And this right here is the housing. I probably want to go ahead and vacuum and clean this thing out before I put the other one in. You guys can go ahead and do the same if you guys want to, because your air do suck in from the bottom of the car. So this is where all this stuff come in from. So with that being said, all you gotta do is pop in your new filter, put in your 8mm bolts on here. Make sure you guys tighten up the C-clamp, tighten up the clamp here, and that's pretty much going to be it. If you guys have any more questions, let me know down in the comment section below. I know I need to go ahead and clean my engine and everything off. I haven't had no time doing any of that stuff, but with that being said, man, that's going to pretty much how you guys change your air filter. If you guys have any more questions, let me know all that stuff down in the comments down below, as well as don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. But with that being said, you guys, in the meantime, between time, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get up out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys have any questions, let me know all that stuff down in the comment section below, and I'm going to go ahead and see you guys on the next one. So in the meantime, between time, you guys, I'm up out of here. Peace.